ici au Burkina et dans la sous-région. Nous avons aussi la chance d'avoir un sous-sol riche. D'ailleurs, nous sommes victimes de cette richesse de sous-sol. Alors, pourquoi ne pas orienter la jeunesse vers l'emploi? Est-ce qu'il serait opportun pour quelqu'un d'avoir son baccalauréat, de venir à l'université, d'étudier jusqu'à la maîtrise, et ensuite revenir pour faire peut-être un concours niveau BPC, pour encore repartir? Il a perdu du temps. Donc, tout ça nous a mené à réfléchir.
Greetings, families. You are very welcome. As you can see from the short clip that you watch, the children are rejoicing. This is Burkina Faso. They have seen their president that they really love. What they are doing there is President Ibrahim Traore said they have decided to and think that the fundamental, the problem, everything begins from the school. You remember I went to primary school before. Not long ago, I made a video about it. So he's visiting these schools. But this time, he has built something called Pavilion 510 places. And he's going to build them around the country, places that children, students, even grown-ups can go and access jobs. He said that they have think that the fundamental program said that it's from the school because people will finish school, graduate, and by the time they finish, their energy is run out, but there's no job for them. And so this need to stop. And now that we are going to, or now that they are changing the country, they have to change from the classroom as well, that the youth will get something doing. It's sad to spend all that money, time, energy, come out, and there's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to turn to. And that's why he's building this pavilion for Burkina Faso, the youth, to be going there to access job and everything that they want. Especially there will be training centers in these places. They want engineers, they want agric. He always emphasized on agriculture more because, you know, we cannot continue to rely on foreign food. Monsanto, that's the story. I have another video there. The food that we are eating nowadays, they said one apple will take you out of the doctors. The apple we are eating today is not the apple of 50 years ago. It's genetic. There are other things in it. The nutrition level that you get from that apple is not the same. So if you are eating apple a day today and thinking that it's the same, no, it's not. So he's always serious. I'm sure President Ibrahim, what does he not know? He knows almost everything. He knows that the foundation is from our food as well. With good food, hospital will have a bit of break. Good food, hospital, and education. So he's tackling the education first. And it's lovely to see how the children are happy because if I know that the course I'm doing today, after 4 years, I'll get a job. I'll get a place, even if I do not get a job, to go and they'll give me direction. I can be able to learn my handwork. He was even telling them, I'm not saying don't go and do degree. You can do your degree. But those who cannot do it, there's something for them in these pavilions to come and study. You can do your handwork. You can learn your handwork and be your own person. I was so happy. And that's why I want to share this video with you. Please listen to him advising the children in, French. And I'll be back. Thank you so much for your time.
Réellement industrialiser le pays, c'est pour développer beaucoup d'usines. Notamment, on va commencer par la transformation de nos produits. L'APEC a été mis en place, ça sera lancé aussi dans quelques jours. C'est l'entrepreneuriat communautaire. Parce qu'il est très difficile aujourd'hui pour un jeune, même s'il imagine de mettre en place une usine, par exemple, de presse de soja ou je ne sais pas autre chose, d'écrire et de partir peut-être vers une structure financière et d'avoir du financement. C'est très compliqué. Encore moins dans le volet agricole. Vous avez beau écrire votre projet agricole, vous allez aller vers les banques, on va vous dire qu'on ne finance pas les projets agricoles parce que c'est à risque. Alors l'APEC va devoir résoudre ce problème. Il s'agira donc de trouver la formule, ça sera sous forme d'action, les gens vont souscrire.
Yes, as you hear, he is going to do this. The future is bright, as he told the primary school children, the little children, that their future will not be like us. Miseducation, he's changing the miseducation. You know, we learn things from school classroom that we thought will help us, but then you come out because we don't have leaders to lead us. We don't have, so we just guess, oh, this uncle has done this course. Look at him in that big office. I want to do that. This auntie has done that, and so on. But mainly went through it the same throughout the continent. The miseducation system is our other downfall, not only all the corruption, but the miseducation, because we learn from other countries. When it comes to history, we study other history. When it comes to jobs, we study what we can get outside, not what we can do in the continent. So I'm so happy that this gentleman, this president, do not sit down and do nothing, but he's going round. He's going around the country wherever necessary, visiting museums, visiting everywhere, elderly people, children, to re-educate them with the bit of knowledge that he have. These children, their life will be totally different from ours. Why? Because it's not me telling them. It's not the news reader telling them. It is their president that they love, that they look up to, right in front of them, sit in front of them, telling them what he will do for them and what they need to do. The future is bright for them. Please let's listen to it more and I'll be back.
À travers ça, que ceux qui auront appris voilà, à être employés dans un domaine spécifique, automatiquement vont être employés dans ces usines-là. Parallèlement, nous allons réfléchir à un autre système de financement de ceux qui veulent évoluer en privé. Ces têtes seront relues, certes, mais il faut trouver une autre formule de pouvoir financer les activités des jeunes qui ont de très bonnes idées et qui on peut financer avec un certain risque. Donc une autre structure sera mise en place pour pouvoir accompagner la jeunesse dans ce sens-là. Parce que nous avons des potentialités, nous avons un très grand marché. La preuve, la population est là, mais tous nos produits sont importés. Et vous le savez très bien, surtout nos produits de première nécessité. J'insiste, n'allez pas souvent chercher loin. L'impérialisme, ce n'est pas une couleur, c'est un état d'esprit. Ils sont là avec nous.
That is what we need. We don't need a leader that will be up there and we will be under their feet, whereby they are spending our money and they are making their families and their friends, best friends, rich. This is the type of president we want. Thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate your time. If this is your first time, my name is Mambe and I share anything concerning Africa on this channel, traveling and true life stories. My new subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Under the comment section, I'm learning more. Thank you. Please leave comment about this short video. I couldn't make it long for you, but I think it's best to keep it short. God bless you all, and I'm back with another video, another visitation that he did within a short time. I will see you again soon. Thank you. God bless you. As always, bye-bye.
Accepter la facilité, travailler et ne pas compter sur qui que ce soit. Chacun doit pouvoir vivre dignement. Si nous avons des enfants, nous devons pouvoir les nourrir. Si nous n'avons pas d'enfants, pour notre propre dignité en tant que jeunes, on doit pouvoir se nourrir. L'occasion ne nous avait pas été donnée. Maintenant, je vous invite au travail. Beaucoup de choses seront lancées Et je vous invite à pouvoir vous y mettre. S'il se trouve que l'un des projets de production agricole des universités, s'il se trouve que FADA est dans la boucle, eh bien, j'espère dans 3 mois venir trouver, donc, si c'est un champ de maïs ou d'igname, venir trouver.